Hi, I'm Galen Oettel. I'm a project coordinator with New York City Parks, and I'm helping to lead the Freshwater Wetland Ecological Assessment 2.0.
Hi there, my name is Desiree Yanes. I'm a Wetlands Restoration Specialist for New York City Parks, and I have been working alongside Galen for the Freshwater Ecological Assessment.
The goal of Freshwater EA is to understand the condition of freshwater wetlands across New York City. We first collected data at a site-intensive plot level, where we collected data on the different plant compositions that are there, and also the hydrology of the site itself. And then we moved to a rapid stressor assessment, where we walked a field buffer around the plot itself. A healthy freshwater wetland, we want to see intact hydrology, and we also want to see native intact vegetation.
We were really pleased to find this species that's still hanging on. This is Lobelia cardinalis, a cardinal flower. Their nectar attracts hummingbirds and swallowtail butterflies. And we're just so happy to see it growing in this wetland here.
So far what we've learned is that just observationally scrub-shrub wetlands are in higher condition because they have a lot of standing water. And we've also noted that emergent wetlands and forested wetlands that have a lot of standing water are also generally in higher conditions than those that are drier. In 2025, we're going to collect official data, and then we can draw even more comparisons.